guys, I'm Chari from Teachers Media 6. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share it and like it. Today we'll learn how to download the PNG HD quality images. First, you go to the Google. In the Google, you type PNG photo HD. You type that, you select images, and you will get lot of images will come, PNG images according to your requirement and choice. You select any image of your choice, and I'm selecting this one image here. You can see this image I'm hot. I'm selecting. To press on that, automatically the option will come download image. Then automatically it will be stored in the gallery. So like that, any number of PNG images you can select and download the images. So you can go to the next image heart again. So you can go there, download image. That option will come. You click that, automatically it will go to the your photo gallery. So like that, you can go on downloading what all the PNG images available as per your choice. Now one girl is I'm selecting. Now the download the image, it will store in the gallery. Like that, you can select any image of your choice. I'm selecting one planet, so download the image. So that will be stored in the gallery. So like that, if you go on selecting of your choice image, there are many images available, plenty of images available in this PNG Google. So you can select and, download the image and store in your gallery and use it for your use whenever you want, wherever you want. So this kind of simple method PNG can be used. So how to download? Now I'm selecting one this carpet and hill type of thing. You simply press that, download the image. Like that, one more carpet. I'm selecting this. You can download the image. So like that, the many images are available. So you can this kind of images is very popular. So you can select that image and you can download even butterfly. So many things are available. So you can select the image and download. So this kind of thing, many images are available. Waterfalls and our India image and flag. So many things are available. So simply you can download and store it in your gallery. This is our India image, PNG image, and there are many images. So like that you can select, you can use that for your project, and many things are coming now in this hard burning. So I'm selecting this. You can download that image. So like that, you can go on doing it. What are the your choice, and you can store it in your gallery and use it whenever you need. So there's so many things are available now. So there are many flowers, especially the rose flowers are available. For animation purpose, we use these flowers, and when we are a fountain, the flowers will be flowing out, and use this purpose. So this rose flower is very much very attractive, and you can this PNG image is very popular. is very good, attractive flower. So like that, download the image. Now we want to check whether these photos have been stored in our gallery or not. So I need to go to the gallery, and I am selecting this again, one photo. I am downloading the image. This image is downloaded. This is the way you can do. Simply you can download the images of PNG. There are plenty of available. Lot of images are available now. Now I want to go to my gallery. I want to see whether where these images have been stored. So there are so many images I downloaded. Now you can see how this come to our gallery, and all things are come to our gallery and stored in the, and whenever you want you can use this particular PNG HD quality image, and as per your requirement. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Be at home. Thank you very much once again. Thank you very much.